How to make course materials accessible. Plan and organize course materials. Convert documents with the Accessible Media Quick Converter. Request captioning. About 11% of undergraduate students in U.S. post-secondary education have a disability. Yet, almost 75% of students eligible for accommodations don't even ask. These steps to make instructional materials accessible can help more students than those requesting accommodations. Plan ahead and order instructional materials early. Use the Accessible Media Quick Converter to make documents accessible. Request captioning for videos.
I wish my professors knew how much time is required in order to obtain accommodations each semester, for each class and for each assignment. I can be successful as a student if all of my assignments are uploaded on iLearn early so that I can access my syllabi, my course assignments, and course expectations prior to the semester.
Generally speaking, whenever I approach a new instructor, I often ask them to provide materials beforehand in an electronic format so that I'm able to access the information while students and the instructor are going through the course. Let's say the syllabus, for instance, on the first day.
I identify as somebody with a learning disability and have a little difficulty decoding tasks involved in reading and writing. And as a result, I've become really passionate about exploring options for assistive technology tools.
So trying to learn from an inaccessible document is like trying to listen to a song with the radio dial stuck between two stations. So there's a lot of static, there's a lot of lyrics from another song I don't even want to be listening to, and then maybe like every 30 seconds there's, like 2 words that I need to be listening to. But with an accessible document, it's like I've got, headphones on that are worth more than my head, and it's playing, on the world's most expensive vinyl record player. So it's a difference between having to struggle just to actually look at the words and being able to devote all of my energy into actually understanding what those words mean and what is the meaning behind the meaning.
Dragon software helps me write my papers, and there are wonderful apps such as VoiceStream that help me convert text documents into audio format. And so I can convert such assignments that are normally on iLearn and listen to them while I'm commuting and walking to class and doing my normal tasks, and it helps me complete my assignments in a timely manner.
I use an assistive technology on a daily basis, specifically screen readers. The 2 versions that I frequently use are JAWS and NVDA. And basically what those are softwares that vocalize anything that's on the computer screen. And it's sort of like a Siri in a way. And it's very interesting because since it vocalizes, I often stick in an earpiece so that I can listen in and not have it vocalize to the entire class to disrupt the classroom atmosphere.
I use an accessible media converter, and it has been integral to my program. I don't think I could get any of my assignments done in a timely manner without it.
Plan ahead and order instructional materials early. Use the Accessible Media Quick Converter to make documents accessible. Request captioning for videos. Contact the Disability Programs and Resource Center by emailing dprc@sfsu.edu or visit the website access.sfsu.edu.